Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome on behalf of College of Education Barshi, Sri Shivaji Shikshan Prasarak Mandals College of Education Barshi have organized one-day online national conference with collaboration with Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar, Solapur University, Solapur. Main theme of this conference is application of artificial intelligence, that is AI, in education. We have completed first two sessions. We are moving forward for the third session. Our guest speaker, Dr. Amal Ubale sir, is with us. Now we are going to start the session. I welcome all the participants, all the professors, and all the guest speakers, the dignitaries, on behalf of College of Education Barshi. Now I would like to request Dr. L.I. Rathod madam to introduce the guest speaker of this session. Over to Dr. Rathod madam.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Dr. Rathod Lajwanti, M.Ed HOD, College of Education Barshi. I would like to welcome and introduce the resource person of this session, Dr. Amol Ubade sir. His educational details are such as MA, M.Ed, PhD in education. His teaching experience is more than 15 years. Currently, he is working as assistant professor at PVDT College of Education for Women, SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. His research work is remarkable. He has completed 2 research projects funded by Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. He has participated more than 13 conferences, seminars, and workshops. He is a member of various associations, BOS member in education subject at Autonomous College, SGM College, Karad. Member of various administration and academic committees of PVDT College. Chief editor of Arihat Publication and Arihat Journals, Mumbai. Member of editorial board of Ayushi International Interdisciplinary Research Journal and International Peer Review Journal. Member of MESTA. He has delivered expert lectures on online database in sociology subject at SNDT Women's University, Department of Sociology. Application of Google Form for data collection in sociology subject at SNDT Women's Department of Sociology. Online database in commerce subject at SNDT Women's University, Department of Commerce. Use of technology for secondary teacher at Pravaranagar College of Education, Loni. Lecture delivered on use of WhatsApp for teaching learning for primary teacher at Badlapur. Lecture delivered on World Tourism Day at Department of Geography, Arts and Commerce College, Churchgate. More than 10 lectures delivered on Google Classroom and assessment tools. Lecture delivered on Antarctica, a hidden truth on the occasion on Geography Day. More than 10 lectures delivered on Google tools and e-learning techniques. He has delivered more than 20 lectures on technology, blogs, ICT, disaster management, innovative teaching methods, tourism strategies, etc. He has conducted and completed various online activities. Completed UNESCO Open Education for a Better World online mentoring program on gender equality and women empowerment with A+ grade. Completed UNESCO Open Education for a Better World online monitoring program on development of 21st century skills through education with A grade. Working as a Google Guide level 8 for Google Map. Published more than 50 educational presentations on www.slideshare.net, www.authorstream.com, www.slideworld.com, etc. He has worked more than 12 e-learning based workshops completed with high achievement, participation in curriculum development workshop. He is a research guide in education, currently guiding 2 PhD students. His areas of interest are educational psychology, philosophical and sociological foundation of education, new trends in education, information communication technology in education, geography education, cultural program as well as sports events. We are going to get the guidance of a person with a dynamic personality, that is Dr. Amol Ubale sir. Heartily welcome sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, I would like to request the young and charming personality, Dr. Amol Ubale sir, to deliver his lecture on the sizzling issue, that is application of artificial intelligence. Thank you, sir. Ubale sir, uh, I think you are muted, sir. Please unmute yourself. No, you are not audible, sir. No, no. No, we are not getting you, sir. Yeah. Still not. Maybe there's something, a technical issue. All the participants, please remain calm. Ubale sir will be joined shortly with us. There may be some technical issue, so please be calm. Yes, sir. Now you can unmute yourself. Yeah. I have make you co-host, sir. Still not getting the sound, sir. Jalo sir, please, can you assist Ubale sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Hello. Just a few seconds. We are getting with the lecturer, our resource person.
केले ऍडमिट.
Yes. Ubale sir, yeah, we have admitted Ubale sir.
स्टील
Ubale sir,
येतोय का आवाज आता?
हा येतोय. थोडा बारीक येतोय पण येतोय आता.
हॅलो. त्यांचा आवाज येत नाही सर.
हा.
आवाज आपल्या स्पीकरचा येते. आमच्या मोबाईलला चालू आहे.
अच्छा. बरं.
सर डिव्हाइस चेंज करून बघता का तुम्ही मोबाईल सर? व्हिडिओ ऑन करायचे त्यांचा सरांचा. व्हिडिओ सरांचा.
जाधव सर,
हा सर बोला की.
होतोय संपर्क?
त्यांना कॉल केला सर, बघतो म्हणतात काय तरी डिव्हाइसला प्रॉब्लेम असेल त्यांच्या.
ठीक आहे.
Sorry, ठीक है, okay. Just few seconds. They are joining from another device.
Okay, sir. Hello, Jadhav sir. पाटील सर.
हॅलो.
हाँ, जॉईन झाले का sir?
हा येस जस्ट 1 minute. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
No doubt. Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to thankful to Dr. Gori sir, who has invited me, Sunil Jadhav sir, Shikre sir, Disle sir, Fulde sir, all our dear colleagues. Thankful to you. And I am a Dr. Amol Ubale, Assistant Professor of PVDT College of Education for Women, SNDT Women's University. And today we will discuss about the topic of integrations of AI tools in research. So before starting my presentations, we all are know about that research is a process. And when we go through the process of the research, that time we feel that it is a very hectic and it is a very hard to understand process. But sometimes it will make headache to all researchers. But today we have suggest some tools that will be very useful for a researcher or a research guide or any other academic academic personalities. That will be very useful. The suggested AI tools in research. So as we know about that, AI has become a transformative force in how we approach research tasks, enhancing efficacy, accuracy, and creativity. These lectures will talk you throughout its capabilities, tools. That is a important aspects of the today's lectures, and what tools we have implications through AI, and the AI can simplify and complex research workflow. Artificial intelligence is a transforming research by automatic complex tasks, as we know about that, improving efficacy and enhancing accuracy. So, by integrating AI, researchers can focus on innovations, advancing knowledge while maintaining academic integrity. So, before starting my lectures, I have quoted that artificial intelligence is not a substitute for human intelligence. That is more important. Most of times, it's fake narratives comes in the education sector. Artificial intelligence will affects on the human intelligence, but this quotes is useful for eye-opening for these types of personality. Artificial intelligence is not a substitute for human intelligence. It is a tool to amplify human creativity and ingenuity. So the statements clearly mention that the role of AI as a tool that can enhance human capabilities rather than replacing them, or it is suggested that AI can be used to augment human creativity and the problem solving abilities, leading for a new innovations and solutions. In other words, you may say that AI is a powerful tool that can be used to assist human in their work, creative endeavors, but it can replace the unique qualities and insight the human being. So बहुत बार मतलब ऐसे डिस्कशंस होता है कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के कारण ह्यूमन का इंटेलिजेंस जो है, मतलब जो ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग प्रोसेस है वो कम होती जा रही है. ब्रेन के ऊपर मतलब ब्रेन कुछ चलाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, ऑटोमेटिकली आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैन डू एवरीथिंग. सो ये मिसकंसेप्ट मतलब सभी जगह पे फैलने के कारण क्या हुआ है कि इसके बारे में बहुत सारे लोगों में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के यूज करने के ऊपर मतलब पाबंदी आ गई है या करना नहीं चाह रहे. लेकिन ये जो कोट है दैट विल बी आई ओपनिंग फॉर दिस पर्सनैलिटी, क्योंकि हमें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का उपयोग जो है कि हमारी क्रिएटिविटी को बढ़ाने के लिए, और उसका उपयोग क्या है कि हमारी वर्क सिंप्लिसिटी को बढ़ावा देने के लिए. क्योंकि हमें काम करना है तो 10 घंटे का काम अगर 2 घंटे पे कोई कर रहा है तो दैट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल. सो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारा काम 10 घंटे का काम 2 मिनट में करके दे रहा है. सो दैट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल. तो बेसिक ये है कि ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर उसका कुछ भी प्रभाव नहीं होता, उल्टा वो ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस को क्रिएटिव बनाने के लिए इसका उपयोग होता है. सो we will discuss about what is artificial intelligence. Most of research persons have already mentioned that artificial intelligence means what. I just overview the what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a set of technologies that enables machines to perform tasks by typically require human intelligence. So I already mentioned that ये जो totally आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जो है कि विदाउट, एक मशीन है लेकिन वो क्या है कि दैट इज परफॉर्म्स लाइक ए ह्यूमन. सो विदाउट कमांड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. सो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम किस प्रकार से प्रॉम्प्ट देते, हम किस प्रकार से कमांड देते. इट विल बी डिपेंड अपॉन द एक्शन. सो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जो है वो क्या है कि ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस से एसोसिएटेड है. AI refers to the simulations of human intelligence by machines to perform tasks like reasoning, learning, and problem solving. Yes, AI can do. AI can act as a like human like just like reasoning, learning, and problem solving can do artificial intelligence. So What are the advantages of artificial intelligence? So there are n number of advantages of the artificial intelligence. I just focus only 6. First of all, first advantages is a reduce in human errors. Yes, obviously, artificial intelligence can reduce human uh, error or enhancing the accuracy of the content. Even artificial intelligence can decisions are based on the gather informations and algorithms, and error can be minimized. Because of that, whatever we have provided the information or algorithm, that can be reduces the human error. So it will be very useful for us. Second one, the decision making. Yes, AI enhancing the decision making capacity of the human through analyzing large data sets, identify patterns and predictive outcomes. So second advancement is just one. Okay. So third advancement is a 24/7 availability. Matlab we can work anytime, anywhere, anytime. So this is the availability of AI intelligence. We can use 24/7 time. New innovations. AI fostering numerous innovations across various fields. It helps to change the scenario of the research. It helps any kind of fields like doctor, engineering, medical fields, biomedical fields. So AI can useful in innovations in any fields. Automations through AI using we can automate repetitive tasks like checking documents, errors, maximize the errors. So this automations free people for use and to become a more creative work. Daily applications. So AI can use useful for the daily application, like we use mobile in daily mode. We have used many applications that will be run by the artificial intelligence, that is Alexa, Siri, Cortana. So we have heard about that. These are the all applications which will be very useful in our today's life. Even Google has or Tesla has started automatic uh, vehicle. So this is the uh, fully associated with the AI, artificial intelligence. So these are the advantages of artificial intelligence. I just focus on the brief, uh, the advancement. We have to focus on the tools. So just I have mentioned that what are the uh, uh, advancements and what are the role of the research. So role of the artificial intelligence in research. The first is it is a facilitating data collection in education setting. Sometimes data collection is a very much uh, challenging task. So AI can do very easily by using when we using Google form, when we using Spider, when we using data setter. So these are the applications we can collect data or facilitate the data analysis very fraction of second. So for facilitating data collections, the AI is very useful for as a researcher. Second one is the streaming manual research process. Yes, AI can streaming a very manual process that is a collection of data, data entry, data analysis. So these work can a fraction of can done with a fraction of seconds. So for this way, the role of AI is very useful in the research sector. Even research accuracy and speed. So AI can reduce the human errors. So because of that, the valid data results can get for the researchers, ensuring the balance between technology and expertise, the effective content research. So because of that, AI is very useful for the research accuracy and speed. Even AI can find out the grammatical mistakes also. So because of that, sometimes that will be very useful for the researcher. Uh, Next is the ethical and bias in the AI powered researches. Most of times, research ethics is a very much important role in the today's era. For that purpose, AI can check, or AI can detect a plagiarism of the contents very easily. So because of that, we can find out the plagiarism, or if we find the plagiarism, then there is a solution providing by the AI. AI can provide n number of applications to change or to plagiarize content converted into the human tendency based content. So that will that purposes AI can very useful for the researcher. Case studies and examples of the AI in action. Most of AI case studies cannot find in internet, but AI can provide n number of case studies situations to the researchers. So researchers can focus on the case studies. They highlighted the potential ethical concerns on the case studies. So on that way, the AI role is very important in the research sectors. So we have focused on the particularly research AI tools for the literature review. So the whole lecture is associate with the practical purpose. Because of that, we have focused on the how AI can useful for the literature review. So first, uh, there are n number of tools. I have mentioned only few. First one is the semantic scholars. So semantic scholar is a AI powered academic search engine. They provide citations for the researcher. They are doing mapping, summarizing the content or summarizing the research papers, and that they can also analyze the content or analyze the paper. So we will see how semantic scholar we use will useful for the research point of view. Just wait. So go to the Google and type semantic scholar. So when we go through the semantic scholar, there is a these types of interface. You get it. So click on the semantic scholar. So this is the interface of the semantic scholar. I have already sign in process. I have done signing process. So these types of interface you will get. After that, here a search 2 crore 22 lakhs 22 crores papers or in field of the science. So you can get n number of papers you have to shown here. So you have to click any kind of research, just like I have pasted it, social media impact. So I search social media impact on human being and search, click on the search button. So here is a 48,600 results are there. So when we go through the particular subject related researchers, so you have to click on the field of the study. So you can choose a study area, that is education. So I have clicked on the education. So 6,540 results are available in the searching topics, social media impact on human being. So here we can get PDF format whole paper available in the section. Publishers also available. Who is a publisher of this paper? We can cite. We have to click on the cite paper. So here is the citations, BibTeX, MLA, or APA style. So we have used APA formatting. So we have to copy it and we have to paste it in your paper. So this is a very useful tool to get PDF, to get information related with the paper, cited the papers. Even we can click on the save button. When we click on the save button, you have to choose a folder. Like I have selected one folder, social media impact, and preparing a folder. So after clicking on the paper, social media, so just we can create a on basis library by using this save button. So you just after uh, preparing a library, you just save particular paper you have to save in the library section. When we click on the save buttons, you have to select a social media impact related paper and you just save and close. Again, we have to click on the save. I have selecting a randomly, so social media, and save it. Again, okay, we have selected 3 papers randomly in a library. Then we have to click on the sign in authority or click on the research database. So you will get a research database section. We will click on the library. So you will get a particular field related a library. So whenever you have to get a citations, then you have to click on the cite buttons. So this is a good options for all researchers to get on basis or on research basis library. So just I have selected only few which is related with my research paper. So I selected only 3 research papers. When we go through the export it, so I have selected APA style. Click on the APA style and we have to paste it in this bibliography. Just so I have copied APA style. So this is the APA style citations. You will get it. So it is a very easy tool to use and use and get citations of the paper. Even you have to click on the setting button. So the get paper recommendation, if you want to get papers recommendations as per your subject, so you have to click on the get paper recommendation. So you will get email whenever whenever paper is visible in your research. So you will get email, get alerts and new recommendations. So you have to click on this here and save and close. So this way we have to use this semantic scholars. So all are requested to go through this semantic scholar. Um, next. So next tool is a scholarly. So it converts lengthy papers into the concise summary. So this tool is a converted lengthy process. Matlab, if you have a 100 pages papers or 110 pages papers, so you have to convert in the lengthy papers into the summarizations mode. So immediately the school classic is converted into the your whole lengthy papers into the summary format. So this will be very useful when we have to write a review of the literature. So you have to go through this scholocracy. The key features of this application is the flashcards for key points, automated reference extractions. In semantic scholar, we have to copy the APA format and then you have to paste it in. But in this scholocracy, the automatic reference extraction process are there. So all are requested to go these tools also. Third one is the research rabbit. So as we know about that, the research rabbit is a visual explorations of research topic and connections. The key features of the research rabbit is they are collaborating and timeless tracking facilities available in research rabbit. It is a free and open for all. So you have to overview the research rabbit tools. We have to go to the Google and we have check it research rabbit. Research rabbit tool. So here is the interface of the research rabbit. Click on the research rabbit, but so this is the interface of the research rabbit. You have to click on the login button. I have already signed in. So after signing these types of interfaces, you have to shown. So here is a new collection, new category connecting to Zotero, and here is a collection. So before starting using the research rabbit tools, you have to click on the collection. So I have to click on the collections button and I have to make a collection that is associated with my PhD. So here is a creating a collections PhD. Then I have to click on the PhD sections. So when we have to click on the PhD section, so here is a add papers are there. So I have to click on the add papers. So add papers, after clicking on the add papers, they demanding the title or DY or keywords. So I have to paste it same topic, social media impact on human being. So I need a social media impact on human being related papers for my research purpose. So I have to click on the search button. When we have search, click on the search button, there is n number of options are there. Even we can search by author name also. Just I have pasted my name, Amol Ubale, and search it. So the particular this I think 10 to 14 options are there. So here is a research papers that will be doing by me. So I have to click on the add to collection. Randomly, I have selected most of papers without finding their name and their research paper name. So I have clicked on the added to collections and then we have to minimize the window. When we have go to the main interface, so we have select, we have to get it the n number of papers that will be I have added already. So after that I have click on the one paper. When we have click on the selected paper, so you will get the author names also, the paper title, and here is a no PDF available in the paper. So whenever we have to write a review of literature, then it is necessary to read whole paper and then you have to write a review paper, review of the literature. So I deleted it. I have to click on the second paper. So here is a paper, author name is there, paper name is there, which journal they have published the paper, so name is there. Here the year is mentioned 2020. Here is the PDF. When we click on the PDF, the whole paper will be downloaded here, and here is the summary of the paper. You can comment, click on the comment, and you have to the expert comment on this paper. After selecting the papers, you will get all references, or if you want to get references, so you have to click here. So you will get it. The particular references list is here. So the networking facility is available in here. Other way, so suppose we have to find out the author related network. So you will get author related network in here. Even here is a suggested authors. So when we click on the suggested author, so you will get the suggested author network. So similar subject related paper you will get here, and you can review the literatures. Again, I search other papers. I have to click on this paper, and then just wait. So here is a Swagat Karve, Ashwini Gawai, and Manjula Gaikwad. The paper is on based on the railway system. So I have to click on this paper. Here is a PDF. So they suggested. So here you will get expert papers, bibliographies, RIS, CSV format. You will get all paper. If you want to share your collections to your colleagues, so you have to click here, and here is a here you have to input the particular person's email ID, and then here enter the descriptions, and here you have to input their email ID, and you have to click on the whether you want to send read only paper or can add papers or owner paper. So you have to select any one as per your convenience and click on the invite button. And when we click on the invite button, so all folders which shared by your colleagues, so they can also correct it, they can also review it. So this is the collaborative tools which will be very useful. They can suggest, when we go through these windows, they can suggest similar content or similar paper related works also. They can share references, they can share citations also, they can suggest the network of the authors. Here is a network of the authors. So when we selected the any author, so they provided the timelines or the network of the authors very easily. So this tool is very useful for the review of the when we write the review of the literature. So all are requested to go through the research rabbit. Again, I have requested to go through this Skyspace AI tools. The Skyscape Space AI tool is a AI powered, which will be providing a research platform design, and it will be very simplified to verify aspects of the academic research and writing. So Skyspace is very useful to preparing a research paper, to designing, and to prepare an introduction, to analyzing the data, to prepare a conclusion and remarks. It is a very useful tools. All are requested to go through this. It is not possible to occupy all tools or discuss all tools in here. Even Zotero is a free tool for collecting, organizing, and citing, referencing, integrates with browsers and word process. So Zotero is a integrated with all browsers like Google Chrome, Reddit or any other Microsoft Edge. So it will be integrated in all browsers. So it is a user-friendly tool. Second one is Mendeley. All are know about that. Mendeley is a very important and very collaborative platform for managing the referencing and connecting with other researchers. So Mendeley is a very huge artificial intelligence based tool. At least मेंडले को मतलब सिखाने के लिए कम से कम 1 साल भी कम पड़ेंगे, इतनी वास्ट डाटाबेस मेंडले का है. or it is not possible to overview within 10 minutes or something. So all are requested to go through the Mindlay. Second one is a AI tool for data analysis and visualization. So this the data analysis and visualization process is very useful for the research sectors. So there is a n number of options are available there, but I have mentioned only few that will be user friendly as well as very very open to use. So first is a Julius AI. So Julius AI is uh, a data analytic tool. It processes large data sets. It generates key insights automatically. So this will be very useful tool. Julius AI is a simplified complex data into easy understandable summaries. So Julius AI is providing a summarize of the data. It supports advanced data manipulations without requiring technical expertise. So this tool is very useful. Second one is the Google Colab. This is a Google sponsored AI tool. It is a very useful, and it integrates in Google Drive for easily collaborations and storage. So you can extract Google Drive Excel sheet file or a data sheet files, and then you have to manipulate, or then we have to analyze, or you have to manipulate the data. It builds in support to the Python libraries like Pandas, Metapoly of the data analysis. And so Google Colabs is a very useful for the data analysis and visualization tool. So next is a Power BI. The Power BI is a Microsoft sponsored tool. It is a free to use, or it is a free accessible in the desktop version, which is will be supported the basic data import and visualization. AI powered insights including pattern recognition and predictive analysis. So Microsoft Power BI is a very much useful for the recognitions, the data analysis, the data, and manipulate the data. So next is the Orange data mining. This is an open source data analytics and visualization tool. In Orange data mining, we can drag and drop facilities is available for the researcher. We can drag data sheets, and the Orange data mining is processing on the pre-processing, visualization, and machine learning. So it will be very useful and user-friendly tools, Orange data mining. Kinaim is an open source software. It is available on the AI platform. And the visual workflow for the data analysis and modeling and visualization. It works on the data analysis, modeling and visualizations. They can provide graphical presentations also, and it integrated with the Python, R, or machine learning libraries. So this is a very user friendly to all. And next is a Chat GPT. We all are know about that. That is a very familiar tools. Everybody can use the Chat GPT for various purpose. I have showing one research analysis. This is how to use Chat GPT. So before overviewing the other tools, we have to go to the Google and click on the Julius. Click on the Google and click on the type Julius AI. So when we're clicking on the Julius AI, here is a first link. So you have to click on the Julius AI. So the Julius AI can prepare or providing charts and graphical presentations to all researchers. It insights your data and get answer. It is an advanced analysis tools that will be very useful. Even by using Julius AI, you can solve the problem. Julius AI is generating reports for the researchers. So it is it is a very useful tool for us. So how to use Julius AI. So click on the try Julius AI. I have already signed it all applications. So because of the time span, limitations of the time. So when we go through the Julius workflow, here is a interface of the here. So workspace, my threads, my files, my workflow. Community forum is available here, and you can uh, attach with the Julius team. So before wasting a time, just we have to click on the uploaded file. So we have to upload it, a file. So click on the uploaded file. I have uploaded one data sheet file. So Julius AI can easily, okay, here is a templates. Before uploading, I just check it with the, okay. एक minute. Okay. So we are going to analyze the data. So after, just wait. Click on the attachment button. You have to click on the upload file and then selected a particular file. Okay, here is a cell and data related file. So you have to click on the open it. After uploading the files, so Julius AI is automatically bifurcate the data. Here is a school name, school details is here. Just wait. I think by mistakenly other data is entering. Wait a minute. It is very needed to provide perfect data for the analysis. Otherwise, it will create chaos. So just wait. I corrected my data. Okay, here is the data. So again, I have to upload the file. Let's see what will happen. After uploading the data, so here is a student name, and out of how much marks they will get it. I think I have uploaded again wrong data. So let it. Okay, cell data. I'll click on the cell data sheet. Okay, here is the cell data. The Julius AI is analyzing the data. Here is the order date, region manager, who is a manager, who is a salesman, which item they have sold it, units, unit price, and sales amount. So here is the data. So first of all, we have selected, we have to paste it the command, give some general insights of the data. So I have selected type of command, and then you have to click. So after that, Julius is providing some general insight of the data. This is a Python based application. So first of all, they're providing a Python coding. After that, they get input to us. Just wait. Yes, here is the input. They has Julius has extracted sheet name, cell data wise extractions. Then again, the cell data and both themselves is a similar column. So they have extracted the order date wise, region, manager wise, salesman. The data is appearing in the represent. So they have extracted the data. Then we have to paste it the command. Could you provide some guidance on how we should be data? So I have pasted the command on the, could you provide some guidance on how we should analyze the data? So Julius is providing the guidelines to us. I will help analyze the data in a structured way. Let's start the examining key aspects. So first of all, they're providing the Python coding. Then they're providing the particular on what basis we have analyzed the data. So here is the initial analysis way. We can analyze the sales wise, we can analyze the data. Product wise, we can verify the analyze the data. Region wise, time based analysis. So the Julius AI can provide on various ways. We can analyze the data. So we will type a command, generate a few graphs based on the data. So we need a graphs. So we have pasted the command, generate a few graphs based on the data. So first of all, Julius is providing a Python coding, and afterwards that they're providing a few graphs. So when we, yes, here is a wait a minute. After coding, they are working on the preparing a. So let's see. Here is a graphical representations. So here is a total sales amount. Here is a item. So they the Julius AI preparing a graphical presentation. So it is a very useful tool to analyze, to preparing a graph, to analyze the data sheet. Even Julius can providing descriptions of the preparing a data sheets. So this is a very user friendly tools. All are requested to use Julius AI. Second one, Chat GPT. So how Chat GPT can work? We all are know about that, but what on a research purpose we have overviewed the Chat GPT. So Chat GPT. Click on the Chat GPT. Click on the introduction Chat GPT first search options, and then click on the try Chat GPT. Here is the interface. So before wasting a time, I have click on the attach file, and then we have selected the uploaded computer file. So here is a school report and mark sheet templates. So I'll attach the file and give a prompt. Give me a general insights of the data. Enter button. Click on the enter button. So the Chat GPT also can overview the data sheets, and then they provided a general insights of the data. So the Excel file contains the following sheets of basic informations, mark sheets, team-wise report card, team report card, cumulative progress report, team-wise mark sheet blank. So I search only. I need student name and their subject-wise mark sheet. So immediately Chat GPT can providing me the subject, student information, subject wise mark sheet, and final term subjects. So here is a Python based coding, and then after that, so here is a they providing a statistical formations who will get 90% marks and everything. So on this way we can analyze the data, or otherwise we have to just wait. Here is a data. Okay, here is a cell data. So other way you can select a particular file, copy it, and then click on the message and end of the data. Please provide me which statistical techniques I have to use. So when we search the command, so here is a ChatGPT can provide a statistical technique which will be useful for the research. So they providing a descriptive analysis. We can use mean, median, mode, standard deviation, also a frequency data, or comparative. For the comparative analysis basis, they can provide me t-tests. For correlation purpose, we can use scatter plot, regressions analysis, correlations. So ChatGPT also can providing me which analysis techniques will useful or which associated with the particular data. So again, I write a command on, can we help me out to prepare score t-score of this data, So we need a t-score of the data. So immediately the chat GPT can provide a T-score of the data. So here is a T-score. They can providing a formula of the T-scores also, steps of the T-score, and finally they're providing the T-scores also. So here in this way we can use chat GPT for the research data analysis purpose. So it is a very useful tool. All are requested to overview the tools. Next one is a AI tool for writing and editing purpose. So all are aware about that the Grammarly. It is a very user friendly tools which will be applicable in desktop modes, mobiles, and other tabs and other devices also. It is a providing a real-time grammar and spelling correction, suggestions, improving tones, clarity of the content. Built in the plagiarism detection and academic integrity. It integrates with the browser, MS Word, and Google Docs. I just showing a demo how Grammarly is uses user friendly. Just wait. Just go to the Google and just go to the Google and click, search Grammarly, and then you have to download it. After downloading, here is a one content. Just I showing you. Here is my paper, social, emotional, and ethical learning. So here is a paper. So I just selected particular paragraph. When after downloading the Grammarly, here is a one symbol is there. So this is a Grammarly symbol. So by using this tools, you have to click on the improve it button. The pencil button is there. So after clicking on this, the Grammarly is providing the particular paragraphs, a correct one paragraph. So I just, if you want to shorten the particular paragraph, so you have to click on the shorten it. So immediately Grammarly can providing me shorter format. So Grammarly is a very useful while you are writing the research papers or PhD thesis. So you have to use Grammarly. It is available freely available on the internet. So all are requested to go through the Grammarly button and then improve your content. Just click on the select on the content and click on the Grammarly button. So immediately Grammarly can providing the perfect grammatically without grammatical mistake based content for you. So this is a very useful tools. Again, second one is a Quillbit. Quillbit software. This is a paraphrasing software. Rightful is a very useful tools that can check grammar, vocabulary, and phrasing of the research paper. It provide a real-time language suggestion to the context. When we selected the content, then they provided real-time language suggestion. It offers database of the academic phrases and improve technical writing. Paperpal is a very much useful tool for the analyzing or feedbacking grammar, spelling, sentence structures. So this is very useful for the preparing the clarity, readability, and formatting. Zotero and then Jasper. So all these softwares are very useful for the writing and writing and editing the content. Paperpal is a very much useful software. Because of the time span, it's not possible to overview the Paperpal software. Again, the paraphrasing AI tools are available in the market. You have to go to the Spineboard, WorldTune, Prepesto, Paraphraser IO, Write Sonic. So these are the paraphrasing software. We can, by using these AI tools, we can paraphrase your content. So after using this content, we can avoid the plagiarism of the content. We can improve our readability of the content. We can save our time, and this paraphrasing software is supporting a multilingual users, and it is a customizing. It is a very useful for the academic, technical, and creative context. So this on these ways, paraphrasing AI tool is a very useful for researchers. Just I click on, I just show how it works. Click on the snipboard. Click on the Google spine board. Here is a spine board. So you have to click on the first link. Then it is so I selected particular content for the paraphrasing. So I have selected, copied the content, and then you have to paste it here. So I have pasted the content. Just wait. Copy it and paste it. So here is the content, and then if you want to purchase, then you have to click the advanced paraphrase, or otherwise you have to paraphrase particular this content. So you have to click on the basic spine. After clicking on the basic spine, they are overviewing, and then they providing the paraphrasing. So a 0% plagiarism will detect by using this spine boot. Similarly, paraphrasing software is there. Even you can use paraphraser AI IO. Just wait. Click on the select Google paraphraser. So Quillbit is there. Paraphraser IO. So click on the paraphraser IO. First link is there. So you have to click on this link, and then you have to similar text. I have pasted this page. After pasting the content, so here is a one command. I am not a robot. So clicking on the I am not a robot, you have selected the bus select and verify it, and then you have to click on the paraphrase now. So a fraction of second, they providing a paraphrasing text which will be without a less grammatical mistake or none grammatical mistake. So they provide what type of changing they providing. They have sending the summarizing and checking grammar, and then you have to click on the copy button, and then you have to paste it particular your paper. I have pasted it, and then the remove plagiarism also, and the ungrammatical mistakes also. So this is a very useful tools. All are requested to go through it. Spine boot and paraphrasing tools. Even Quillbit is also very useful tools for the paraphrasing the tools. Next tool is a very useful for all-in-one user friendly. That is a manuscript AI. So manuscript AI is a cutting edge platform designed and simplify enhancing academic writing skills. So if you want to enhance your academic writing skill, then this manuscript AI is a very useful for you. I didn't explain key features and benefits. We will practical use of the manuscripts AI. Jadhav sir, hello.
Please.
Yeah.
How much time I have?
20 minutes.
Hello.
Is it okay?
Okay. Just give me 15 minutes only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Then okay. Click on the Google and click on the manuscript AI. So here is a link manuscript AI. So click on the manuscript AI. So what manuscript AI will do? They providing smart literature review. They providing plagiarism detections to you. Even they providing AI writing supports, citation management, and general finance facilities available here. And they this is the collaborative tools which is enabled for team collaboration and version tracking. So let's see how manuscript AI is will work. So here is the interface of the manuscript AI. So first of all, we have to click on the login button. I have already logged it. So here is the interface. Here is a dashboard. Whatever you have worked, so it will be visible on the dashboards. Profiles and AI templates and pricing. So we have to click on the AI templates. After clicking on the AI templates, here is very much various types of templates available. If you want to paragraph writing, then you have to click here. If you want to write anything or any subject, so you have to click here. If you want to improve your content of the research paper, so you have to click here and improve your content. If you want to summarize your research paper or some other authors summarize paper, so you have to click here. Content creator, if you want to create a content on the particular subject, so then you have to click here. Sentence expander, perfect headline, rewrite, extend text mark it down. So these are the various options are available for the researchers. Even book templates are also available for the researcher. You can you by using manuscript AI, you can prepare a blog ideas, outlines, paragraphs, blog calculative paragraphs, or post writing. Marketing purposes, if you want to use marketing related manuscript, so you have to prepare go through the marketing templates. Professional templates also available, or playground templates. So there is n number of templates are available. I just click on the general template, and we have to click on the rewrite. Click on the rewrite button. Again, I have mentioned, click on the general templates and then click on the rewrite button. After rewriting button, so you have to select the chat GPT. So here is the option of the chat GPT. They can connect with the chat GPT 4.040 mini, cloud 3, haiku, Gemini. So the facilities available for you. I have clicked on the GPT 4.0 mini. Preferred language, you can select any of language. There are n number of languages. So I click on English. Select type, rewrite, and here is a content. I have pasted the same content and generate content. So I click on the generate content. So a fraction of second, they providing me a content generator. After finishing the work, the particular token limitations is for each work they have providing one token. So whenever we have done any activity, then they minimize a token limit. So no need to worry. They providing 10,000 tokens for all users. So it will be very useful. So copy it and rewrite, or paste it and rewrite it. So here is a n number of content creators also available here. You can prepare a content on any kind of topic. So my request is to overview all features. I have click on, again I have go to the dashboards, and here is a very interesting option: create a new book. So a book is a only name, but by using this software you can prepare a good content for you. So enter document title, just I click on the title, differentiated instruction. So I need to write on the differentiated instruction topic. So here is the description. You can paste it a description or a type it description, and click on the want to write or want to edit. here is I want to edit options and create a book. I click on the create a book. When we okay, they need 50 characters. So just randomly I have pasted it and create a book. So they demanding non-fiction book, and here is genre allowed to be empty. I have selected education purpose and create a book. Document created successfully. So here is a differentiated instruction based book summary. So I want to create a differentiated instruction related research or book. So I have selected differentiated instruction. So here is a add heading or add chapter or all templates, and here is a various types of options are there. Pacing, rounded, strictly sentence, show, don't tell, sentence variations, read text readability, summary report. Click on the pacing. So the option is doing the provide and they providing the pacing uh, options to the content. So click on the add headings button. So I have clear preparing a heading on the same heading will did click on the differentiated instructions, and then I need to add chapters, and then I have to click on the outlines. Okay, so I want to prepare a differentiated instruction based content. So I click on the generate outlines. So they providing me outlines of the book in introduction to social emotional learning, promoting positive social relationship, and then I have to click on the next button. So immediately they providing me the generate chapter button. Click on the generate chapters button. After clicking on the generate chapter button, so by using manuscripts, we can prepare a research paper, preparing a even we can import files, and suppose particularly I have imported the particular file. Then after by using manuscript, we can prepare a good research papers also. So I think my limitations pricing plans are available there. So you have to freely users. You can use 10,000 tokens. All our users can get 10,000 tokens. So you have to use it. The manuscript AI. Again, at the last, F4I, F4I, the F4I AI software is a simplifying academic research writing tools. It is very valuable tools for the students and researcher. It leverages literature, refining language, and managing citations, and it is a very useful tool for the academicians and some uh, students. The basic features of Foresight is it's providing a quickly summarization. It provides writing supports, providing a grammar support, clarity, and academic tone. Citation management features can providing the Foresight, and benefits of FORI. It saves times with automatic summarizations and editing, enhancing manuscripts quality and reduce errors, and streamlines literature review on the citation task. So I have to click on the Google, search on the F4I AI. So click on the F4I AI, and then click on the login. Continue with login. Continue with Google. So after So here is the interface. So just wait. So here is the options: research assistant, document writer, and extensions and reference manager. So I have to click on the reference manager. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to prepare a library. I have already prepared a Amol's library. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to click on the upload button and then select a file, and then after that you have to select a PDF file, and then you have to select a particular paper which you want to summarize or data analyze. So I have selected all PDF files. Open and click on the open button. After uploading the particular files, you have to click on the upload button. So immediately aforesaid can uploaded all files. So after uploading all files, it will be visible on the particular place. So after uploading, we have to click on the research assistant button. After click on the research assistant button, here is a searching options. So you have to click on here and you have to type @ button. So here is a no file connected options is available. So then you have to click on the connected files option. So connected file, then we have to select a particular file which we have uploaded. So here is a files. So I have selected 5 files which is associated with my research topics, and then minimize it. Then you have to select @. So here is the file is available here. So select particular topic. I have to click on the particular this paper. Then I have to click on the @. Again, I select other files. Then I have to @ and then I have to select other files. Okay, I have selected 4 files, and then write a command. Write and introduction section for research paper entitled differentiated instruction and its impact on achievement. So I want to prepare a paper on differentiated instruction and its impact on achievement. So I have selected a few papers which will be already published on various platform. So I have to write a command on the will please provide an introduction section on the basis of overviewing the paper. So I have click on the send button. After sending, they are aforesaid. So the warning is your input violates Microsoft Azure OpenAI moderate for please avoid unsafe content. Okay. So I have selected only 2 papers. Because of that, might be unsafe content is there. So just wait. Okay, I have selected only 2 files, and then again
Amol sir,
yes,
just remind me. Thank you, sir.
yes, write introduction write introductions section for my research paper. Just I have I need to introduction sections on my research paper. So I have selected two files and then click on the send button. So immediately, oh, again, they're providing unsafe content. So please provide for my research paper. I think they, okay. I have selected search options and then I have to just wait. Here is a document retrieval options. We have selected semantic scholar and then click on the custom instruction. I think there is a problem. So we will stop here because of that time is limitations. Thank you, all of you, for listening very patiently. Sir,
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for a very informative and very detailed explanation you have given. Now, I would like to request Mr. K.B. Chavan, sir, to convey vote of thanks for this session. After this session, we will start the technical session, that is paper presentation session. Over to, yeah, Chavan, sir. Vote, Chavan, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. Shri Shivaji Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Barshi, College of Education, Barshi, organized one-day online national conference on application of artificial intelligence in education. Today's chief guest for this session, Dr. Amol Obade, sir. I am very thankful on behalf of Shri Shivaji Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Barshi, as well as College of Education, Barshi, for having us as guest speaker guide for this program. At the same time, I also express my gratitude to Dr. S.S. Gore sir, the president of this conference and the principal of our college. I also express my gratitude to IQAC coordinator, head of the BEd department, Dr. V.P. Shikre sir, and the head of various departments of our college, convener of this conference, Dr. S.L. Jadhav sir, co-convener, Dr. P.A. Patil sir. Also thankful Dr. Rathod madam for the introduced resource person. At the same time, I express my sincere thankful to all participants in this session, as well as my colleagues, professors, non-teaching staff, as well as the trainees of BEd, BPEd, MEd, MPEd, who participated in this conference. And leave of the president declares the session closed. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Chavan, sir. We will start the paper presentation session. The chairperson for this session, we are having Dr. Yuvraj Pawar, sir, from Sangli. I would like to request Dr. A.G. Kamble, sir, to please give a brief introduction of Dr. Yuvraj Pawar, sir. Sir, are you there?
नर्वे सर युवराज पवार सर जॉईन
Yes, yes.
काय नाही 5 मिनिटाचं काम आहे
Pawar, sir, join with us.
सेम साइज
Co-host. Yeah. Yes, yes. He is now with us. He is connected with us now. Jadhav, sir?
सर
Yeah, shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Are you going to introduce? I
Sure.
think Kamble sir is not joined. He's not connected still now.
Not visible right now.
Yes. Okay. I would like to request the convener of this conference, Dr. S.L. Jadhav sir, to please give the introduction of the chairperson of this session. Over to Jadhav sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon to one and all. The fourth session is technical session, that is paper presentation session. And the resource person for the chairperson for this session is Dr. Yuvraj Pawar sir from Sangli. He is working as associate professor at SPS College of Education, Sangli. He has completed his MSc in mathematics and MA from Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He has also completed PhD from Shivaji University, Kolhapur in the year 2015. He is qualified SET in the year 2006. His total teaching experience is more than 15 years. He has worked as a chairperson of paper presentation session in national seminar and conferences. He is a recognized MPhil and PhD guide for Shivaji University, Kolhapur since 2019. Right now, 2 students are ongoing PhD under his guidance. Let's know more about his research paper publications. He has published 20 state level journals publications, and he has also published 20 articles in the national level journals. He has published 2 books with co-author and chapter published in edited books 3. Writing of encyclopedia online Marathi Vishwakosh 2. His more other activities: worked as a member of syllabus formation committee of Shivaji University for B.Ed course in 2013-14 and for MA education course YCMU Nashik. Started a mathematics library for B.Ed students in our college, in his college. Coordinator of MA education course YCMU Nashik. He also worked as a subject expert for the confidential work of higher education CET 2021. His membership: he is a member of Shivaji University Teachers Association SUTA, member of Maharashtra State Secondary Teacher Educators Association MESTA, member of Local Inquiry Committee LIC of Shivaji University Kolhapur. Let's know more about his awards and honors. He is honored with Best Research Paper Award in Online International Conference in the year 2021. His area of interest is constructivist approach, mathematics, education, assessment, and evaluation. On the behalf of College of Education Barshi, I welcome Dr. Yuvraj Pawar sir for this session. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Pawar sir, welcome, very warm welcome. Shall we start the session?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The
How
list,
many papers, sir? How many papers?
we have 15 papers, sir.
Okay. Each participant has only 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay.
The list has been sent to the group of conference. So I would like to first call Dr. Kisan Jizaba Shinde sir, Professor DBP Dayanand College of Education, Solapur. Shinde sir, are you ready with your presentation? All the participants who have been selected for the paper presentation, you must be ready with your PPTs. One by one, I will call your name and then you have to start your presentation. Shinde sir, I will call the names. Who is present there? Please give your response. First, Kisan Jizaba Shinde sir, then Dr. Vithoba Sawant sir, then Sunita Abhijit Patole ma'am, then Mr. Shivaji Govind Sawant sir, Dr. Gayatri Chaukade ma'am, then Sri Rohit Bhange, then Aditya Gaikwad, Dr. Nagesh Sarvade, then Dr. Mai Kailash Pandurang, then Dr. Kangade Sandhya, Digambar Kangade, then Miss Sheetal Gayali, then Snehal Pednekar, ma'am, and then Dr. Nilam Nilambike Huddar from Karnataka. Yeah, this is the sequence of the paper presentation. How many of you are present here? Please give your attendance, please. Aditya Gaikwad is present.
So start from Aditya Gaikwad.
Okay, Aditya Gaikwad, sir, are you ready with your presentation? Nilambike sir is also present. Okay. Snehal Pednekar is also. Yes, yes. Yeah. Aditya Gaikwad, sir, please start your presentation. Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Shall I switch on my video also?
Yeah, yeah. You are able to, yes. If you want to share the screen, you can share also screen here. Okay.
Sure, sir. I'll be sharing my screen. I have my presentation already in the laptop.
Okay.
Is it allowed, sir?
Yeah, I have allowed you.
Okay, sir. Hmm. Okay, sir. Is it properly visible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are visible, Aditya.
Okay, sir. I will be starting my presentation now, sir. Is the screen visible now, sir?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you are visible.
Okay, sir. So first of all, good evening to everybody. Myself, Aditya Gaikwad. I'm a student of class 11th and I'm currently pursuing science. Today, I'll be giving a presentation on my research paper on the topic Emerging AI Trends and Potential in an AI-driven Education System. So starting with the introduction of this, that a controversial topic as it has been previously discussed that AI is currently in its trend, in its peak right now, with numerous tech spots like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Copilot, and other AI generative models available in the market and been used variously and widely. So, trying to use these and keeping the future perspective into mind, I have written this paper on what all possible trends can appear in the future and are slowly appearing, and how, in what method can we use these and incorporate these in the standard education system. And we'll be looking at some potential for a AI driven education system. So it starts with the hypothesis here. The hypothesis is the possibility an AI driven education system in the future exists and is ethically, factually, and practically appropriate. So this is the hypothesis. And the aim that I have aimed is to determine the practicality and the possibility of incorporating AI innovations in education. As AI is continuously growing, we need to incorporate these in each and every sector, especially in education, as education builds the future society. And the objective of my research is to explore possible ways to integrate AI in the modern day education system and to figure out potential in human AI collaboration by analyzing emerging AI trends and innovations. So now we begin with understanding the literature review. So before we have to do a thorough literature review as mentioned in the meeting. So these are my main highlights of the literature review that I did. So AI in education is really crucial and it is trending. If you if it's a reference to the book AI and Education Guidelines for Policymakers. It is written by UNESCO. It's a really wonderful book. There they have mentioned about some data that has been collected by for of students. So facial data, emotional data has been collected in huge amounts to use machine learning, and they search for patterns in the face. Like, for example, I'm sad, then I show a particular pattern on my face. So they recognize those patterns, and they have been collecting this to address something as borderline mental health assessments. It is to encourage the view of children as potential patients are in need of treatment, because current education system is all about competition. So children are required with some mental counseling and all to identify what is going on in their mind. Second is, when we look at AI, we also need to look at some risk. A recent incident that happened in the last week itself, Google Gemini, which was previously named as Bard, it has been known to spew threatening messages to a student who only tried to seek help. I hereby quote an exact sentence of what the AI said. This is for you, human, you and you only. You are not special, you are not important, and you are not needed. You are a waste of time and resources. You are a burden on society. You are a drain on earth. You are a blight on the landscape. You are a stain on the universe. Please die. Please. So as you can see, this is the threat or the risk of AI currently being developed slowly. So the cliche fear of AI taking over humans is actually resembling. But where there is bad, there is also good. A company named Experiment Labs in Karnataka, it is based in Bangalore. They have created a robot, a teaching robot named Shiksha, which uses AI and natural language processing, as previously mentioned. It uses these technologies to teach children until the grade fourth. The finder Akshay Masharkar has been working on this project since 4 years, and this is actually a huge example of how AI can be used in a positive manner. Moving on, we can now have a look at emerging AI trends. So, what currently is emerging in the current market when we have a look at AI? There's the first one is explainable AI. Explainable AI is nothing but an AI software which translates what an actual AI model thinks into something which can humans comprehend. See, most of the AI models out there are something which is known as an AI black box. I repeat, black box AI is different and AI black box is different. So, AI black boxes are those AIs which process and keep the whole processing algorithms confidential and just reveal the results. So what explainable AI does is it analyzes the data, it analyzes the logarithm and the set of programs and set of rules, protocols gone by the AI model to give us how did it reach to that conclusion. We can use such technology for recruiting teachers whenever we give some resume. If you are interested in AI with resumes, to recruit teachers or any other staff, it first analyzes and it chooses the appropriate candidates. But how did it choose? What logic did it show? This AI can be used in recruitment to uncover biases. It reduces biases because sometimes humans are tend to do errors. So this AI reduces biases, and it ensures fairness for all people of all community, gender, religion, and other categories. The second trend coming up is currently edge AI. Edge AI is nothing but just a term given to that AI which is situated near the database. Now, for example, there's a device, there's an IoT, which is Internet of Things. It is a device, a smart device, which collects information from various factors. And edge AI is nothing but the AI which processes this data should be near that device, means it should be near from where the information is being getting. If an AI is here and all the information is in the cloud, it is very hard to come, and it has a huge risk of being hacked also. So edge AI is actually a great idea, great method to ensure privacy, safety, and efficiency in time. So this data can be used, as previously discussed, in borderline mental health assessments. we can make such devices which actually tend to read student data, and then they can process it right there instead of storing it to the cloud and then bringing it back. The third trend that is coming up recently is AI blockchain integration. Blockchain is nothing but a digital ledger, means usually whenever data is stored, there are different computer and nodes, and the main data or the main head is been given at a centralized server, and then from the server there are the data is being distributed. So this actually increases the chance of being hacked. What blockchain integration does is each and every node has been it's a decentralized, means before there was a central server, now it is decentralized, means all the nodes are equal, and all the data that has been put, it is a permanent data and it cannot be changed again. Whenever a data is verified, it turns into a block and it is put behind other blocks, creating a blockchain, hence the name. So when combining AI with blockchain technology, it can result into a really transparent and secure system for managing school transactions. Especially school transactions are very sensitive usually, so to handle them properly and to maintain that level of privacy and organizing, a transparent system for the school can be used. It can also enhance accountability, and it protects sensitive information. The same technology can also be used to handle students' academic data, so no more tampering can be done. And the last trend that we are going to look search for today is our other emerging technologies. So there are three terms given here: NLP, which is natural language processing; CV, which stands for computer vision; and AR, which stands for augmented reality. So these terms usually refer to add-ons to particular computers or models, AI models. And what they do is they use technologies like transfer learning and affective computing. Affective computing is just interacting emotionally with humans, and transfer learning is basically just taking data from previously loaded systems. Means you train that particular AI model from, it gets trained from one area, one incident, and it uses the same data in another incident or in another operation which goes on, in simple terms. So this can be used to enhance student learning experience, and it enhances the capabilities of an AI powered educational tool. When we move ahead, we can also see what are the potential uses or potential applications that we find in education. There are again four applications. Personalized learning, as it can personalize learning because AI is adaptive to what we want. So we can get personalized feedbacks, we can adapt each and every student is different, so each and every student has a different learning path, and each and every student needs a different teaching learning methodology. So by using AI, we can channelize that methodology to maximize best learning possible for all students. And we can also further create, in the future we can create AI tutors and assistants which can basically provide support all throughout the day. Students tend to have hundreds and billions of questions, and by using AI tutors and assistants, their doubts can be clarified where teachers are physically required. As previously said in the conference, that teachers cannot be replaced. So by using AI assistants for teachers, this can be a huge help because it gives a human AI collaboration, which was already told in the objective. Smart content creation is also hugely possible with AI because it can create teaching aids and interactive learning materials which basically involve the students completely into the education process. And it basically gives personalized learning resources, interactive simulations, basically AR, VR, and other small apps we can create, and we can use them as teaching aids in this 21st century. And we can also create a virtual lab where physical labs might be sometimes hazardous or dangerous. Virtual labs can be created. Moving on, there is also secure data management where students' data is sensitive and it is secured, and it is ensured that privacy is maintained, and also transparency is maintained where there is no cuts or changes. Now, where there are pros, there are also cons. So we come to challenges and limitations of AI. So challenges, limitations of AI include 3 points. First is trust and reliability, because AI is a recent and a new trend. So we can't trust it because with sensitive information. Whenever you log into ChatGPT, there's a really important note to not share sensitive data, because this data is being used to train and basically make the AI better. So never, we can't entrust AI right now, because as already previously seen in the literature review, AI has been resulted to be pretty harmful. Then comes the ethical consideration. The use of AI in education raises ethical concerns regarding data privacy, bias in algorithms, and potential for replacing human educators. As previously discussed, many of us even had the fear that teaching or teachers can be replaced, but later it was clarified, but this risk still lives. Human interaction and social development is also a limitation, because over reliance of AI in education could limit opportunities for human interaction. Basically, when AI comes into hand, humans get less work to do. So human interaction or human interference is quite less. So this might limit the creativity and emotional intelligence.
Hello, your time is finished.
Yes,
Okay.
Aditya, please.
Just sum up your paper.
Yes, sir.
Your time is finished.
Okay, sir. Only last two slides are remaining, actually, sir.
Okay,
I'll just sum
conclude, Aditya.
Okay, so I'll sum up really quickly.
Yeah.
Future research directions include AI teacher assistants, where human AI collaboration can be done. GA are generative adversarial networks. As previously discussed, ChatGPT generative AIs can be used. Virtual labs can be created, and AI powered playgrounds, including virtual reality setups for each and every to engage into the metaverse. And for policy making, which is at the central level, can also be used. When we move ahead, that is human AI collaboration, as particularly discussed, human expertise is required, and shared responsibilities exist. So the conclusion has, basically we have potential benefits as we previously discussed, but there are also challenges and ethical concerns. So at the end, the hypothesis that we reached at is inconclusive, because without knowing the further trends, we cannot come to a conclusion that what will AI result in. The only practical way right now is to do a human AI collaboration, and in next steps we can particularly when these trends show up, we can continue for ongoing research development, and these ethical discussions and ethicality needs to be proved in the future, where accessible where education is more accessible. So that's basically, thank you, and open for questions.
Now the session is open for the questions. Anyone have any query, question about the topic? You can ask the questions.
Aditya, stop your screen sharing, please. Anyone have a question? Or we will move further. Yeah, thank you, Aditya. Thank you very much. Now I would like to call up Ms. Dr. Nilambik Huddar. Yes, you can present your paper. Nilambiki Huddar. Are you there? Dr. Nilambiki. Okay. Please respond quickly, or else I will go with Dr. Vithoba Sawant, sir. Dr. Sawant, sir. Okay, Nilambiki, sir, unmute. Okay, okay.
So can I request Dr. Jadhav sir to share my PPTs? I have forwarded to him. Jadhav sir,
Okay.
I'm Dr. Vithoba Sawant.
Yes, yes, Dr. Sir. Yeah, yeah, Sawan sir. Yeah. Jadoo sir.
Just few seconds, sir.
Yes, okay.
Everyone should present their paper.
Shall I start, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening to one and all. I'm very happy to participate in the one-day national conference on the applications of artificial intelligence, AI in education. I'm Dr. Vitova Sawan, Assistant Professor, MES Pillai College of Education and Research, Chembur, Mumbai. Next, sir. So next. Yeah. So back, 21st century. Okay. So here I would like to give introductions of my paper. Technology, we are talking in the 21st century. We are using the different technology. We are talking about the NEP, different skills we have to learn. When we are talking about the technology, has transformed the educations, moving from the memorizations to skill development. Always we are focusing on the skill-based development. And that skill-based development, we have to learn about the different technology. That is very important. This my paper has focusing about the AI and the concept-based learning, focusing the broad principle applicable across the subject, promoting the critical thinking and the real-life problem solving. It helps the students teachers that real time to get the feedback very easily, and they can clear the different ideas very things. AI and the concept-based learning work together to make the learning more flexible. Because when we are talking about the AI, the students will get the easily concept cleared about it. So future personalized, meaningful educations we can do through the AI. Next, sir. The need of study, the concept-based learning combined with the artificial intelligence, helping the students to focus on understanding key concept rather than just memorizing factors. Now we have seen that concept has made getting the change, that memorizing, now we are making the different things. Easily students, they can learn and the different way and different things. So promoting the interdisciplinary thinking where the knowledge from the different subject to connect and apply it for the AI tools that caters to each student's unique needs. Next, sir. The statement of problem is effect of artificial intelligence and concept-based learning. The objective of study is to study the role of AI in enhancing the concept-based learning. To study the effect of AI-powered tools on learners' understanding and critical thinking skills. To identify challenges and the imaginations. The integrating AI with the concept-based learning. To study the effect of artificial intelligence on concept-based learning. Next, the hypothesis of study. The null hypothesis, there is no significance difference between the effect of the artificial intelligence on concept-based learning. Next, the methodology of study. This study is used the mixed method approach, which means it combines the qualitative as well as the quantitative research method. The quantitative part, the covered through the survey with the collective the numerical data, providing the measurable result. And the qualitative part in collected through the interview were conducted the different students and personal insight from the participant. By combining these two methods, the students aim to get the fulfill the understanding of topic using both the statistical data and details personal experience. Next, sir. The total sample was this in this research was 108 participants. That is from the B.Ed college students, teachers. The tools and the techniques were used. The finding based on the hypothesis to enhance the concept understanding, the students using the AI-powered tools demonstrated the 40% improvement there in the ability. They started using the different technology for the personalized learning and through the clearing the concept. 85% students reported that the AI system tailored the content delivered to their needs, enabling the learning of their the own pace. Improve their critical thinking skills. Normally, we are talking about the through the AI, we are not developing, but through the AI, they can clear the concept very easily. They can solve their own problems and they will think about the different way. And we are developing the critical thinking skill as well as the analytical thinking skills. Next, sir. So conclusions of my these papers to find the unscore the transformative potential of AI in the concept-based learning. It's a AI, it's adopting the enhance the conceptual understanding, the critical thinking and the interdisciplinary applications. These studies emphasize the need of the collective efforts among the educators, technologists and the policymakers to make the AI with the concept-based learning accessible and the effective diverse learning communities. AI technology continue to evolve the role and shaping the futures of educations will be provided, preparing the learners for the complexity of the 21st century. Next, sir. These are the references of my paper. Thank you so much.
Now the session is open for questioning. Anyone have doubts or any question, you can ask.
Yes, anyone, any participant have a question? Or else we will go for next presentation.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jadhav, sir.
Yes. Dr. Nilambike, please start your presentations.
Sir, my PPT is not sharing, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we have make you
Document. It is a document. It's showing document. Mine is PPT.
no, we have done we have make you co-host so you can share.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You are able to share your screen now. All the paper presenters, I have done. I have make you co-host, so everybody is now able to share their screen or unmute themselves.
It's showing. It's not showing, sir. Please.
No, still not. Yeah.
Sharing it photo or image from files or document. Which one I should select, sir? Please. Please.
Have you prepared presentation? No, you have prepared.
Yeah, mine is PPT.
Yes. Where have you stored it? So go there and then start the presentation.
It's presentation.
Yeah.
PPT.
Yeah. Go in your okay. It's in your WhatsApp. Okay.
So not this one, sir.
Yeah.
Not this.
Yeah, it is.
Word.
Is it PDF? I think it is PDF.
Yeah, I sent a paper, sir. Word file it is for you for college.
Okay.
Madam, please continue without PPT.
Yeah.
Without PPT also okay, no, sir?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Shreya.
please switch on your
Okay.
video, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
You have only 5 minutes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please. Video, my video also not opening, sir. Why? Sir, unable to access camera. It comes like that.
No, ma'am, we have make you co-host, so you are able now.
So I start video. I made a start video.
Yes.
Video start video is not opening.
Yes. होत नाही आहे त्यांचं म्हणतो.
Video.
You are not able. Okay. Okay. Just go further.
Sir, please, let me present myself. Please, myself is Dr. Neelambike Huddar, Assistant Professor, Sri Gavisiddeshwara College of Education, Koppal, Karnataka, Koppal district, Karnataka. Just I made a small research on artificial intelligence. Once I saw this invitation, I thank the organizers, SS Mo Gore sir and Shikhare sir and SL Jadhav sir and PA Patil sir and SG Wagmore sir. Thank you very much, sir, for sparkling this kind of very wonderful knowledge regarding artificial intelligence. Just I have taken the subcategories under artificial intelligence, which involves machine learning and language processing, algorithm and robotics. Just I have taken a robotics education, robotic teaching, that is a reflective analysis. Just I have visited many PUC college students. Total I have taken 100 students as a sample, and for 80 teachers as a sample. 100 students, they have given a positive response, only male students, and female students, they have rejected artificial intelligence. Robo can teach them, so which is very difficult for them to understand, because they need a love and affection from teachers, which robo cannot give. So many male students, they have not accepted. Female students have accepted. Robo can teach them. So I have visited many schools to interview a teacher. I have organized a clinical interview for teachers, male teachers and female teachers. 40 male teachers and 40 female teachers. I have made an interview and I have given a questionnaire, which was followed by Likert scale, 5-point scale. The T value, T score is 2.397 and P value is less than 0.05. So 5% level of significance. Hence the hypothesis is rejected here. But it means that the robotic teaching scores are high, significantly higher in male teachers as compared to female teachers. Female teachers are express their view, they lose a job, and if a robo come and teach, means who will take care of our children, and love and affection and compassion from teacher. We will be having some differences among students, and they have given this kind of responses. Even male teachers, they have accepted artificial intelligence and fast calculations, ChatGPT, Chat Robo, and even for research also, this is very helpful for them. But female teachers are not accepted this one. This is a suggestion for my research, small research I have conducted. The 4 districts of Karnataka, only PU college students have acted as a sample, and also PU college teachers are acted as a sample. It is observed that mixed opinion from male and female students and male and female teachers. The study has been sensitized about the positive and negative influence of robotic teaching. Just have taken robotic teaching, even here it is not at all implemented, and even robots are not came into class. But the opinion of students and teachers, there is a mixed information, mixed opinion they have been given. So the new methods and strategies for teaching and accurate calculations, office management for robotic teaching is good as it can be applied for higher education level. Hence, it is suggested that robotic teaching can be applied at cannot be applied at primary and secondary level and PUC level, because students are very innocent smiles, innocent learners. They need love and compassion from teachers, which machine cannot be done. So thank you one and all, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Please open for question. If you have any question, please, participants and teachers, any academicians, please ask the question, sir.
Now the session is open for the questions.
Please,
Anyone have
sorry,
any
I'm
questions?
unable to share my PPT. I prepared a PPT, sir. Sorry,
No problem.
sorry, extremely
problem.
sorry, sir. I want to see you, sir. So I can't start my video also. It's difficult for me. I don't know what's the problem here. some networking problem here.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Yes.
you one and all, sir, for giving opportunity.
One question, I think. Okay, we will move further. Now, I would like to request Dr. Kangade Madam, Sandhya Kangade Madam, to start.
Sir, it is audible?
Yeah.
Good
Okay.
evening to everyone. Yeah. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you. Good evening to everyone. Myself, Dr. Kangde Sandhya Prakash, from Assistant Professor of Srimati Kashibai Nole College of Education, Kamlapur, Taluka Sangola District, Solapur. And my topic is that the use of artificial intelligence tools in the research. It is the theoretical based paper of the AI tools in a various. So the first of all, we see the terms of the artificial intelligence is changing the teaching learning process in education. Since the origin of the establishment of the education, the strategies of teachings and also the bond share between learners and educator have evolved considerably. Teaching strategies across the world became additional structure to administrator, higher additional efficient result. This transformation will be majorly attributed to the continued intervention of technology. On the rear of continuous technology advancement, we tend to square measure, witnessing a paradigm shift within the teaching learning method. The connection between educators and students are dynamically, wherever educators become additional, approachable, and far higher at understanding their students' views. From this paper, just I highlight about the uses of AI tools in the various sources, like that adaptive learning, assistive technology, early childhood education. AI is currently being used to the powerful interactive games that teach children's basic academic skills and more. Data and learning analytics, scheduling, facilities management, overall school management, writing, not only in writing also, we help the AI is already at work helping students to improve their writing skill. And artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the education with the cutting edge tools that enhance teaching and learning, from personalizing experience to optimizing administrative tasks. As well as the classroom management, it's also we use the AI platform used as an AI to gamify classroom management. AI tracks students' behavior and engagement, rewarding positive actions with the points and with batches and providing teachers with the insight into the classroom dynamic to the manage motivated student. Intelligence tutoring system also we use, automatic grading and assessment tool, chat box and virtual assistant, curriculum and planning, interactive and learning games. AI also enhance the educational games by creating engaging and adaptive learning experiences. These games use AI to provide tasks and challenges that adapt to student responses, promoting active participation and understanding of a complex subject. Next one is that the personalized learning also useful from the AI. AI learning platform create customized learning experience by adapting to the unique way students understand the concept, how to learn from the platform, create customize. This reduces cognitive load also and ensure that the each student receive instruction tailored to their learning style and pace. Even the task automation, AI automates routine tasks such as a homework assessment, test grading, report generation. This enables educators to focus on more meaningful instructional activities and student interaction. Even the smart content creation also used from the AI. AI aids instruction in the creations of the digital lessons and study materials. Tools likely simplify the lesson planning, even create assessment, write individualized education plan, and much more to modelize learning and streaming instruction. Protected AI-powered protected system monitors exam event to prevent the cheating and ensures academic integrity. This system analyzes student behavior during exam, providing real-time alerts for the suspicious activities and maintaining a secure testing. Last one is one that the conclusion, the advent of the artificial intelligence has unshared in a new era of possibility revolutioning various sectors, including academic and research. For research student, AI tools are no longer to for futuristic concept, but a practical reality that can be significantly enhance their research journey. From stimulating data analysis to generating innovative ideas, AI is empowering the next generation of scholars to explore new frontiers of the knowledge. Thank you for giving the time for the organizer. Thank you.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Anyone have any questions?
Okay. Okay, Power sir. We will move further.
Okay, no problem.
The next presentation is Srimati Snehal Pednekar ma'am. Snehal ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am. Please share your screen and start your presentation.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am Snehal Vilasrao Pednekar, lecturer from DIET Sindhudurga. I am going to present the paper under the title Effective Use of Artificial Intelligence Tools in Education. So, artificial intelligence is not a substitute for human intelligence. It is a tool to amplify human creativity. With the use of artificial intelligence in the teaching learning process, teachers become stronger or making the various experiences or giving the various experiences to the students for making the teaching learning process very happy and very healthy for the students. The integration of artificial intelligence into the education is focused by the National Education Policy 2020. The integration of AI in education has the potential to transform traditional teaching and learning paradigm, offering personalized, sufficient, and scalable solutions. This paper explores the effective use of AI tools in in, in educational settings, focusing on their impact on student learning outcomes, teacher efficiency, and overall classroom experiences. National Education Policy 2020 also focuses on on the use of ICT and artificial intelligence in the teaching learning process very effectively. Objectives are first one to assess the current understanding of primary school teachers regarding the effective use of AI tools in the teaching learning process. For this objective, for this objective questionnaire was conducted, and through that questionnaire get the updated information about the awareness of primary teachers about the use of AI tools in teaching learning process. Second objective, that is to identify and finalize the AI tools that can be most effectively integrated into primary education. Actually, there are maximum 300 AI tools, but from that 30 AI tools were selected under the guidance of expertise for this research. Then that are such are, for example, Google Search, YouTube, Google Assistant, Google Map, Smartwatch, ChatGPT, then interactive panel, etc. Third objective is to organize workshops for primary school teachers to raise awareness about the effective use of AI tools in the classroom. According to second objective, 30 tools selected and giving awareness about this, the workshop for primary teachers conducted, and through that workshop we give more information about the use of that AI tools in teaching learning process to the primary teachers. Fourth objective, that is to evaluate the effectiveness of awareness program for primary school teachers in improving their competencies in using AI tools. For this objective, post-test was conducted, and through the pre-test and post-test result, we get tremendous results. Let's go further. That is a need and importance. Yes, there is a need of such kind of research and such kind of awareness program for the primary teachers, because right now this right now today's we are in the digital India. So today's need is to make the child for the upcoming future citizen of India becoming the aware of every technological process in our or every new trend in our educational system. So that there is a need of such awareness program, and also National Education Policy 2020 also focuses on such importance of use of artificial intelligence in education. Actually, this concept is from engineering field, but right now we are using such tools in education, but our primary teachers are not aware about this. For example, the PAT test is undergoing through the SCRT towards every primary teachers, and the result is filling in the chatbot, which is also one kind of AI tool. But But our primary teacher, I'm not saying that every primary teacher, but some primary teachers are not aware that chatbot is a AI. Okay, so that so that such kind of trainings or such kind of awareness program or orientation program need to create the awareness about AI tools using in the teaching learning process. Then methodology, mixed method approach was selected for this. First of all, survey method for getting the updated status, and then experiment, and then standardized test for pre-test and post-test. Then research design, a pre-test to post-test experimental design is selected. A sampling method, purposive sampling from non-probability sampling methods. Actually, from the Sindhudurg district, there are total 8 theses, and from that eight theses, from the 4 theses, one cluster selected, and every teacher from that cluster getting awareness about got awareness about the using of AI tools in the teaching learning process. Then hypothesis, for this null hypothesis was there, that is AI tool will not significantly improve the improve the teaching learning process of primary teachers. Such kind of hypothesis were there, and for that data collection tools was used, a questionnaire for present status and standardized test for pre-test and post-test. Then statistical tools, percentage and t-test. T-test result was tremendous. Through that result we got information, through that result it proved that the t-test value is greater than the greater than 0.05 level, and which means that null hypothesis rejected, and AI tools will significantly improve the teaching learning process of primary teachers. So the result and findings are here, that are the pre-test and post-test result indicate significant improvement in teachers' understanding of AI tools. Teachers' knowledge of AI tools in education increased from an average score of 78.3% in the pre-test to 100% in the post-test. Understanding of AI applications such as chatbots, AI-powered video makers, and online courses showed marked improvement. The majority of teachers, it means 97.6%, expressed a desire for further training on AI tools. The results suggest that the use of AI tools can significantly enhance the teaching learning process, as evidenced by the improvement in post-test scores. Therefore, the null hypothesis was rejected, and the research confirmed that the AI tools are indeed effective in the education sector. There are some recommendations for schools and for teachers also. For school, curriculum design should be there. Then student engagement, we can improve the student engagement, or improve the student engagement with the use of AI tools in teaching learning process. And resource allocation. School must invest in the necessary technologies for improving their teaching learning processes. For teachers, there are curriculum enhancement and also CPD, that is ongoing workshops or training should be conducted for the teachers for giving such information about the AI tools which they can use in teaching learning, which they can use in teaching learning process. The integration of AI tools in education holds tremendous potential to enhance the quality of teaching and learning. The findings of this study underscores the effectiveness of AI tools in improving teacher competencies and student engagements. The NEP 2020 emphasizes the importance of ICT and AI in transforming the educational landscape. So that such kind of research or such kind of awareness program are most important. And first, lastly, but not the least, that sir, actually, I'm very much thankful to the Barshi Education College that's conducting such kind of conference and giving giving me such kind of chance. So thank you, all of you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, madam. Now the session is open for the questioning.
Do anybody has a question? Please ask, or else we will move further.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have a standardized test, ma'am? That standardized questionnaire, ma'am, for this?
Yes.
Which one, ma'am? Please, can you name?
Actually, that's the standardized test made by me, and I checked it from the expertise.
Okay, okay. It is experimental design, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very informative, madam. Very, very informative. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, is anybody present? The list has been sent to the group. All the presentations are over. Is anybody from the list who has not presented yet? Is present here now? Please give your present, or else we will go for concluding the session. Okay. I would like to request Dr. Yuvraj Pawar, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yes. Please.
Sir, now I have artificial intelligence ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು?
Yeah. Sorry. Nilambike ma'am.
Hello, sir. We were
Okay.
Timothy sir.
Yeah. Pawar sir, please.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Give us a concluding remarks, sir, please.
I very much thankful to all of you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. There are 5 papers, total 5 papers are presented in this session. Out of that, 4 are the research papers and 1 is theoretical paper. I really appreciate Mr. Aditya Gaikwad, who have been presented the research paper. His topic is AI and education, emerging AI trends. Second presenter is Dr. Vithova Sawant. His topic is application of AI in education, effect of AI in CBL, concept-based learning. Third one is Dr. Nilambike Huddar. He is also presented the research by Pednekar. He is also presented the research paper. His topic is effective use of AI tools in education. All the papers are very nice. They presented very nicely. And lastly, I also thankful to very much all the participants and college staff, principal who have given me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all of the participants for presenting such a nice papers.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Hello, Pawar sir. You want to say something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Especially Master Aditya Gaikwad, in very young age, he has presented the paper and in such a very good manner. Okay. Now I would like to request Dr. R.A. Furde sir, Professor Dr. R.A. Furde sir, to give his overall vote of thanks for the whole conference. Over to Dr. R.A. Furde sir.
Good evening, all of you. Myself, Professor Raviraj Phurde, on behalf of the SSSPM's College of Education, Barshi, District Solapur, State MS, India. I am glad to be here to express my vote of thanks. A special thanks to resource person and chairperson from various parts of our country for accepting our invitation and for being here with us today. They delivered insightful speeches on artificial intelligence to the participants. I express sincere thanks to the authorities of Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar, Solapur University, Solapur, for collaborating this conference. I express sincere gratitude to management and directors of our institute, Honorable Dr. B.Y. Yadav Sahib, Honorable Mr. N.N. Jagdale Sahib, Honorable Mr. P.P. Patil Sahib, Honorable Mr. A.P. Devadwar Sir, Honorable Mr. J.C. Sutole Sir, all members for their moral support. I would like to thank Principal Dr. S.S. Gore Sir, IQC Coordinator Professor V.P. Shikre Sir, HODs from various departments of our college, Convener Dr. S.L. Zadav Sir and Co-Convener Dr. P.A. Patil Sir, technical support team, teaching and non-teaching staff members who always stand with us, academicians, research scholars, UG, PG, and PhD students and participants across the country. I express thanks to Mr. P.P. Narayana sir for comparing the conference. Thanks to all of you for making this event successful. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all of the participants. The participants are requested to please fill the feedback link, which will be sent in the conference group. Please look over the conference group, WhatsApp group. Yeah, we will get the participation certificate. Okay, Jadhav sir, shall we end the meeting?
Sure, sir. If anybody wants to know more about our some reply or some suggestions, then give just 5 minutes for them.
Okay. The convener has told us to ask overall reply from the participants. If you
Or if you have any queries regarding publication or
you can give your opinion about the whole day conference, or you have any suggestion to our team, so please you can express here. We have 5 minutes more.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I want to say something. Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Namaste, sir. Namaste, all of you. Good evening. This workshop and this seminar was very nice. So thank you to all of you, because such kind of subject are very important right now to our education trends, to our education system, from the primary school towards the higher education system. So from the first speaker towards the third one, these three subjects or these three topics are very important for all of us also, because we are working in the education system, vice versa, various on the various levels that you all are on the BA level. I am working on the primary level or pre-primary level. Then, but what is the use of AI and what is AI is very cleared by these all by these all expertise, by these all experts. So first of all, I express my thankfulness towards these all three experts also, and to all of you organizers. Thank you, College of Education Barshi, for giving us such chance and such opportunity to attend such conference also, and to present the paper also. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Very good, ma'am. Yeah, thank you very much. Is anybody want to express? Okay. All the participants, please note that at the end of the session, now this is our end of the conference. You will be getting the feedback link. Everybody has to fill that feedback link or else you will not get the certificate of participation. And all the participants who have been sent their paper for publications, if you have any query, please contact to our convener sir or Dr. M. Made sir. Now we will end the meeting. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Thank you for your great support. Thank you very much.